Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Ella Dishes It Out. Today we're going to be making some chicken tortilla soup. Actually, I already made it, so I'll put the description in the I'll put the recipe in the description box on my YouTube channel. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so here's my chicken tortilla soup. It's got the basic recipes in it. It's got chicken, of course. It has like 1 can of Rotel tomatoes, 1 can of strained black beans, 1 can of strained corn. Put some seasoning in there, some cumin, a tablespoon of cumin. What else did I use? I used a tablespoon of kosher salt. I used, what else did I use? Pepper, and that's pretty much it. And I use a little bit of pollo asado. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my bowl. Make me a big bowl of it. And we're gonna dig it. Oh, I also added a can of cream of mushroom soup. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna put the top back on here. Now we're gonna walk over here to my where my cheese is. We're gonna add some cheese. So we're gonna add some cheese. We're gonna add some cheese to that. I have 2 different kinds of cheese. I have cheddar cheese and I have Monterrey Jack cheese, Shelby Monterrey Jack cheese that I'm adding. Next, I'm gonna add some guacamole. Usually I add my cheese last, but I'm gonna go ahead and add it now. And then I'm gonna add my guacamole in there. It's just not tortilla soup without the guacamole. Just not, sorry. All right. And then we're going to add some strips to this, so hold on. Okay, next we're going to be adding our tortilla strips, and I got these multicolored tortilla strips. So we're going to be adding that. Those, pour right on in there, just like that. And one hand, and I can use just free. Okay, and that's pretty much it. So like I said, I'll put the recipe on my YouTube channel. I think I already have it on there maybe, but if not, I'll put it on there in the description box. Thank you for tuning in to Ella Dishes It Out. And as always, bon appetit.